Well, here they are on their first day out. Sunny's not too sure about this whole deal. She says, I'm not familiar with this world. This is a whole new world. Yeah. Here's Walt. Walt's just going to chew on the chair. Who's that? Eloise. Oh, hi, guys. There you are. There you are. Yes, you look very cute. Over there's Ringo. Hi, Ringo. Is that Leo there?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's Leo. Oh, Ringo had to yawn. Oh, it's okay. They just got out here about 5 minutes ago, so it's still all pretty new. Yeah. Yeah. Now Sunny's doing better. Oh, look at Hugo. Hi, Hugo. And there's Hank over there, on the other side of the rock. And there's Alice. Hank. He's walking. And Alice. Oh, Walt's getting adventurous. Look at Walt. Who's that? Ozzy?
Carly.
Carly? Oh, Ozzy's already snuggled down over there. Good grief, you guys are going back to sleep already? Ringo, your head, it's going under the rock.
Come on out.
Jeez Louise.
Jeez.
You're getting under the rock already.
Oh, it's a bad Ringo.
Yeah, can't go under the rock.
He's not very smart.
No. You're gonna hide, he's gonna make a burrow. Hi everybody.
Under there. Ozzy.
Ozzy, what are you doing?
I'm serious, buddy.
There goes Eloise and Maddie. And there's Ozzy and Charlotte's over there. On the other side of the rock, she's just settled down already. And Hugo's stretching out. What you doing, Sonny? Everybody playing. Hi, sweetie pie. Hi, Curly. No, Maddie. That's Maddie. And that's Charlotte. She turned her collar inside out. You look like Ozzy. You need to turn your collar back to the orange side. What? What, Walt? Hi, guys. That's Alice. Oh. Oh, you. Oh. Leo. There's Leo. Hi, Leo. Hi, Leo. You went out. They went out yesterday. So today they all went out. Yes. You all went out. Huh. Okay. There's Charlotte. Oh, goodness. That's Ringo there. Yes, there's Ringo.